Kepada kababut iki jingta jeung gospel ki pairwe da kabara iki syarak bame ala kiti kidei benlong kum kito ki baya ap community ya kajingwan pai jeung utrai bagumta endaun wan pai unlap bagi dang pengor bat ai jeung kasyong iki ha kajing kawai jeung u kajing pengor ha kanai kamit kalong ka bakrautam bat ka bai pingtam na kabenta ki jing leniam kadei benlong tang sisien haman na ki jing mane lapan bet ya ka hakane kerukom bahadin keriti leniam kajing syai bat kajing penbena pasca kalong kabenta kabanengkong kabalang nadu basdang kabenta kabaar kamut keriti jang kektien hadian kajing kaar sen di dekor bat hema ya kabaptisma hakabasdang artat bat kenjat syai na kabenta kani kabalai lakot ya ka kabalang syakamit hawai kabautrai ulapan kre na kabenta kipa jugu kajing penmentai kajing ya kajing mipa jungu tar hadu buun dawan biang na kabenta kaski kabasau kajing leniam ya payment pasca kade bendon ha kapor menmit kumta kasdang hadin bakasep kasngi batkut paswa ban kendat syai kasngi utrai kito ki basim benta kamas pengor kila berpediang pun menyan biang ha kamas mensngi Ulingdo ubaknya lang ya kamas pengor ula berkinyane ya kinyalang hang mas mensmi.
The early Christians gathered from evening of Saturday to the dawn of Sunday to get ready for the resurrection of our Lord Jesus Christ, which, as you know, took place at dawn. Dawn means early morning. We shall gather for a shorter period, but the purpose is the same, to share in Jesus' resurrection as we have shared in his death during the past days. We read in the Gospel of John these words of Jesus: I am the light of the world. Anyone who follows me will not walk in darkness. He will have the light of life. Fire gives us light and gives us warmth. Christ gives us all this and more. He gives us life. You see a large fire here. It could represent the divine life of Jesus, which was not yet destroyed on the cross. You see a large candle also here, the larger than the rest. It is called the Paschal candle. We shall light this candle from this fire, and from this Paschal candle, once lit, the light of Christ